Welcome to my channel and welcome to the recent update of the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway. Today is the 13th of December 2024. From this video, you can see that the construction of the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway is still ongoing, and this is the Eleko axis of Lagos. This is where I'm bringing this update. So the construction is still ongoing. So stay to the end of this video and enjoy this video. Remember to put on the notification bell. Remember to subscribe to this channel so that you can always get notified each time I bring you update, tips, investment opportunities in Lagos and beyond Lagos.